Once you've got your coefficients and you've got all the data you need, just close it. This should take you to this window again. Now go to results, double click. Press on the z-axis. This is where we get contours. Now click on contour. Let's name this pressure. Alright, it was not happy with the capital. Now go to location, choose symmetry 1 and click apply. So obviously it looks like a rough contour because we have very low number of contours, but if we change that to 200 for example, we're gonna give you way smoother contours. It's gonna blend them together, but be very wary. If you put like 20,000 right here, it might crash your computer, so don't go past 1,000, 2,000. Now we're gonna choose a velocity contour. Velocity, yeah. Location and symmetry 1 again, 200. Alright, and then choose velocity right here, apply. That's the velocity. You can see the velocity accelerating over and under the airfoil, and here's the stagnation point, and here is the trail of the airfoil. Here's the pressure contours. You can see here that you have the stagnation point, you have lower pressure around the airfoil, and that's it. Also, you can get all of the contours that you want from here. You can get mass flux, eddy viscosity, kinetic energy. Let's try that as well. This is the turbulence behind the airfoil.